In this video, I'll show you how to curve text in Microsoft Word, which is a great way to make titles, headings, or designs look more creative and eye-catching. Start by opening Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word is open, go to the Insert tab located at the top of the screen. From there, look for the Word Art option, which is represented by a large slanted letter A. Click on Word Art and choose any style that you like from the available options. After selecting a word art style, type the text you want to curve. Once your text is entered, click on the word art text to make sure it is selected. When the text is selected, a new tab will appear at the top called Shape Format or Drawing Tools Format, depending on your version of Word. Inside the Shape Format tab, click on Text Effects. From the drop-down menu, hover your mouse over Transform. Under the Follow Path section, you'll see several curved text options such as Arch Up, Arch Down, Circle, or Button. Click on any of these options to apply the curved effect to your text. Once selected, your text will instantly curve based on the style you chose. You can further adjust the size and position of the text by dragging the handles or moving it anywhere on the page. And that's it. Your text is now curved in Microsoft Word. If you think this video is helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell.